We all know the feeling of thirst. It's a powerful urge, driving us to seek out water to quench it. Our bodies need water to function. Without it, we wouldn't survive for long. Animals on land, from tiny insects to enormous elephants, all need water to live. Land animals lose water constantly throughout the day. We lose water through breathing, sweating, and going to the toilet. These actions remove essential fluids from our bodies. To replace this lost water, we need to drink regularly. Thirst is our body's way of telling us our water levels are low. It's a signal that we need to find a drink. This vital signal helps to keep us alive and healthy. Fish live in water, but that doesn't mean they don't need to worry about water balance. They also have to regulate their internal fluid levels, just like land animals. This process is called osmoregulation. Osmoregulation is how fish control the movement of water into and out of their bodies. It's a complex process that involves specialized organs and mechanisms. This process ensures that fish maintain the right balance of water and salts inside their bodies. Without osmoregulation, fish would become too salty or too watery. This imbalance would make it impossible for their bodies to function properly. Osmoregulation is essential for fish survival. Freshwater and saltwater fish live in very different environments. Freshwater has a low salt concentration, while saltwater has a high salt concentration. These different environments present unique challenges for fish in terms of osmoregulation. Freshwater fish have to get rid of excess water that constantly enters their bodies. They do this by producing large amounts of dilute urine. Imagine having to go to the toilet all the time. That's what life is like for a freshwater fish. Saltwater fish face the opposite problem. They lose water to their salty surroundings. To compensate, they drink seawater and excrete excess salt through their gills. It's a delicate balancing act. So, do fish actually get thirsty? It's a tricky question to answer. Fish don't have the same kind of brain as humans, so they don't experience thirst in the same way. However, scientific studies have shown that fish do have mechanisms to detect changes in their internal fluid balance. For example, some fish species have been observed to increase their drinking behavior when they are dehydrated. This finding suggests that fish may experience something similar to thirst, even if they don't consciously feel it in the same way we do. They have their own way of knowing when they need to take in more water. In conclusion, while we can't definitively say that fish experience thirst like humans, they certainly have sophisticated ways of regulating their water intake. Osmoregulation is crucial for their survival, ensuring they stay perfectly balanced with their watery homes.